All right, your turn to do some practice with the inverses. The first one's, I didn't leave much space. I guess I can cover this one up for the time being, but if you're going to find the inverse of 7, -4, remember, all you're doing is switching x and y. So the inverse would be -4, +7. You don't change a sign or anything like that. You just switch x and y. Okay. So let's find the inverse of a function. Go ahead and give it a shot and see if your work matches mine. We need to have this be y equals. So the first thing I'm going to do is change it to y equals. We do want to switch x and y. And then we want to solve for y. So x minus 7 equals 2y. Divide both sides by 2. So y equals x minus 7 over 2. And that's it. That's the inverse of what you started with. So try to work that on your own. Make sure you can do it. If you can, you're probably set. All right, now let's do one where we have to verify. So just pick one of these, figure out which one looks like it's easier to work with, and see if you can work it down. I'm going to pick this one. I think this will be easier to solve. Replace g of x with y. All right, we have to switch x and y to find our inverse. And now we just solve for y. So let's subtract 5 and divide both sides by -3. So y equals, you could leave it this way, or if we want to switch it around, -x plus 5 over 3. That's another way you could do it. That is not exactly the same thing. So in this case, no, they are not inverses.